So I'm at the new apartment. If you watch my other video, then you know that this is going to be my empty apartment tour. So I just went and signed all my papers and my documents and stuff and all that, and they gave me the key. So now I'm here. It's like I said, it's basically the same floor plan as my other apartment. It's just that it's a different apartment. There are a few differences, and I absolutely love it. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do it for you guys. I'm not gonna show you the outside, but I'm gonna go ahead and just start from the front door, and I'm gonna tell you guys some of the differences, like I said, that I see in here that is different from my other apartment. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so here's the front door. A difference already is that right there. That was not on my other door, so I did not have that, which I love because then people can't just walk in. So I love that. The doorknobs are definitely different, and I also have a doorbell. My other apartment, I did not have a doorbell, so I'm happy that I have that now. So basically, it's the same towel, same kind of, it's the same same plan. As you can see, the carpet is dirty. They did shampoo it, but I guess there's some stains that they weren't able to get out, which is okay because my couches is gonna go there anyways, and then I can just get a rug to cover it, so I'm not really too bothered by that. But yeah, basically, this is the front door. This is the living room. So this is where my TV will go and stuff and all that, and my couches will go back over here. So this is that. Then we go into the kitchen area. The ceiling fan is a little different from my other ceiling fan, which I like this one better because the other one shook too much for me. So yeah, same type of towel and stuff like that. Here is the kitchen, basically the same. The other kitchen, the sink was a little bit deeper, but that's okay. And the countertops are a little different, but I'm actually going to cover those with contact paper and stuff and all that, so I'm not worried about it. But same cabinets, things like that. Here's my refrigerator. The refrigerator is the opposite way. In my other apartment, the refrigerator doors is on this side, so this one is switched, but I'm not too worried or too bothered. So here is that. So then come back out of the kitchen, back into the living room. Here's the hallway, and we have the same thing, the little storage, same. Again, here is the water heater. Here is my smoke detector and my air control. Here is the bathroom. The bar is a little bit different. It's a little bit shorter, which is okay. The countertops is a little different, but I'm so happy. Sorry about the fan, but I'm so happy that they replaced the sinks, because my other sink, there were two different sinks, and this one, they're both the same. Here is the toilet, and in my other apartment, I barely had a gap in between here, so I'm happy that they have a gap here so I can actually be able to clean on the other side of the toilet. The other one, it was hard for me to clean, so have that here. Here is the other portion of the bathroom. Oh, here is the shower. So I'll show you guys the shower. So yeah, here's the shower. Then here is the other portion. So yeah, boom. There's that. Mirror, open the door. You come into my room. Now this is the part that I love, is I have a mirror in my room. So my first apartment that I had when I first moved here, I had a mirror. Then when I moved into the apartment I'm in now, it doesn't have a mirror. Now I'm back and they have mirrors again. So I'm excited that I have this again, because then, when I'm getting dressed and stuff, I can see myself fully. I don't have to look in a mirror, which my son is gonna have a field day with this mirror. But here's the closet. Closet is pretty deep. I don't know why my iPad shows so wide. Like if I was on my phone, it wouldn't be this wide, but it just seems like it's just so wide. But yeah, I'm sorry about the quality. You know, these apartments, one, it's early in the morning and it looks like it's about to rain, but two, these apartments don't have light fixtures. You have to bring in your own lights, so you really don't get good light. I really don't have good lighting right now. But here's baby's room, same thing. Stand back, there's the door, storage closet, his closet. So once again, excited about it. Boom, here it is. There is a gnat in here and it's pissing me off. So yeah. So basically that is it, you guys. So come back out the room and get back into the hall. Hey you guys, so this is the end of my apartment tour, my empty apartment tour. So basically I am about to end this video, switch over to my moving video and start moving stuff over here and start cleaning until the cleaners come, until the movers come. So if you guys want to see those videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you guys can see when I post those videos. I definitely have more videos to come. I just need to get into a place where I was a little bit more happier because I was not happy in this apartment that I'm in now. So I really didn't have the motivation to film videos. So I feel like now, I think I feel good about this. So I hope that it stays that way. So that way, like I said, I can continue to get my motivation and really get this done for you guys. So I will see you guys later.